How to enable stolen device protection on iPhone. Want to make your iPhone more secure if it's ever lost or stolen? In this video, I'll show you how to enable stolen device protection in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. Step 3. Find Stolen Device Protection. Scroll down until you see Stolen Device Protection, then tap it. Step 4. Turn on Stolen Device Protection. Tap Turn on Protection or enable the Stolen Device Protection switch. If available, choose whether you want the security delay to apply away from familiar locations or always. How it works. When Stolen Device Protection is enabled, your iPhone requires Face ID or Touch ID for sensitive actions, such as viewing saved passwords, changing your Apple account password, or turning off Find My. For some actions, it also adds a security delay when you're away from familiar locations, making it much harder for someone to access your personal information if they steal your iPhone. That's it. You've successfully enabled Stolen Device Protection on your iPhone, giving your personal data an extra layer of security. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks.